Hello everyone, today we are going to be grilling some chicken with adobo sauce. In Spanish, we call this Pollo Adobado. We are going to be cooking this on the Weber kettle using the Santa Maria grill attachment. Check it out. We will need a full chicken for this cook. We need to butterfly it and then remove any excess fat. For the marinade, we are going to be using an adobo sauce. We will need 4 guajillo peppers, 2 ancho chiles, 4 chile de arbol, a quarter onion, 6 cloves of garlic, oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Next, we will need to hydrate the dried chilies, but we'll have to deseed the peppers and remove the stems before hydrating them. Get a pot of boiling water ready. We will hydrate the dried chilies by placing the peppers in boiling water and simmering for a few minutes. Then add them to the blender. We are going to add the rest of our ingredients for our adobo sauce. I will be adding a bit of apple cider vinegar to this mixture as well, about 2 tablespoons. Let's add the oregano, garlic, salt, pepper, and our onion. Add a bit of the water we used to hydrate the peppers. Make sure to blend all of our ingredients well. We will need to let the marinade fully cool before adding it to the chicken. Place the chicken inside a Ziploc bag. Make sure the chicken is covered entirely with the marinade, and then place it in the fridge. I'm going to be marinating this chicken overnight. The longer the better, up to 24 hours, but at least a minimum of 2 hours, so plan accordingly. The next day, we will need to light up our grill. I will be cooking over red oak today, but I will use lump charcoal to help start up my pit. Once you get a nice coal bed and the wood is fully lit, you are ready to cook. For today's cook, I'm using the Weber kettle with the Santa Maria grill attachment. The Santa Maria grill allows me to lower and raise the grill grate to control the temperature. Before putting the chicken on the grill, we want to remove it from the marinade and use a skewer to secure the legs and thighs. The skewers will make it easier to flip the chicken when it's cooking. Once we place the chicken on the grill, we will adjust the height to control the temperature. I'll be flipping and rotating it every 10 minutes or so. To check for doneness, you'll want the breast meat to reach 165 degrees. Okay, the chicken is at 167 and it's ready to be taken off. The marinade gave this chicken great color. This cook is very versatile as far as how you can serve it. You can slice it up and serve it with rice and beans. You can chop it or pull it and make some delicious tacos. One of the things I would change about this is I would have added more salt before putting it on the grill. It was delicious regardless, but I figured I'd mention it. If you enjoyed this cook, please like and subscribe.